In English language, when describing a noun, we often use determiners and adjectives together. These words must follow a correct order for the sentence to sound natural. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun to show quantity, possession, definiteness, or number. Examples of determiners: a, an, the, my, your, his, her, this, that, these, those, some, many, few, several, one, two, three, etc. Now let's quickly look at the word other in English descriptions. When we use determiners and multiple adjectives, the correct order is determiner, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, and the noun. Please note that determiners will always come before adjectives. For example, you would say a beautiful girl, my big house, two small cats, those old books. Now let's look at a full order of adjectives. Remember I said that determiners can be a, an, the, my, his, her. Those words you place before your adjective. Now opinion is what you think of what you're describing or what you intend to describe. Beautiful, lovely, ugly, that's your opinion. Then size: big, small, huge, gigantic, that's the size. Age: old, new, young. Now the shape: round, square, that's shape. Color: white, black, blue, brown. Origin: Nigerian, French, Australian, American. Material: is it made of wood? Is it made of leather? And then purpose: what is it used for? Is it used for cooking or for sleeping or for writing? And then finally, the noun you are describing: a bag, a table, a chair, a person. Now let's consider these examples. A beautiful, small, old, round, brown Nigerian wooden table. Here's a breakdown of how the adjectives are arranged. A is a determiner. Beautiful is my opinion. Small is the size. Old is the age. Round is the shape. Brown is the color. Nigerian is origin. Wooden is material. And of course, the table is the noun. Now, here is another example. My lovely, big, new, black, Italian leather bag. Here's a breakdown. My is the determiner. Lovely is my opinion. Big is the size. New is the age. Black is the color. Italian is the origin. Leather is the material. And of course, the bag is the noun, the item being described. Now, here are a list of adjectives. I want you to organize them properly and drop your comments in the comment section. I hope you got value. Remember, the simple memory trick for this is DOSASCOMP. DOSASCOMP, meaning determiner, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. So next time when you see a number of adjectives that you need to arrange, what should come to your mind is does this come? So here are a list of adjectives. I want you to look at them and organize them properly in the comments section. See you in my next video.